What's happening, guys? So we are hitting the floor at Computex 2019, starting our journey off here at Gamdias. I'm here with Darcy. Darcy, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Good. Still got a lot of energy left?
Yes.
You're gonna need it. We're gonna do a little booth tour right now, go through some of Gamdias' brand new product.
We just launched our second series for fan and cooler. As you can see here, two RGB rings on the two sides of the fan and also on the center of it. Okay.
Very nice. RGB. We all need a little bit more RGB in our lives, so that's cool.
So for this year, we just launched our new Athena series. So you can see it has this mesh panel. And what's more is that it goes with the other tempered glass. So it's interchangeable with the tempered glass.
Oh, nice. And it's nice and curved. It's got like angles like a stealth bomber.
Yeah.
3 USB ports on the top here, one USB 3, which is cool.
Also RGB I/O ports. And what's this? It goes with this remote control. Turn it off, turn it on. Different color.
Wow.
Different modes.
Can I give it a go? Check it out. We're gonna go red for danger right here. But you knew that. And the one thing about Gamdias is they're so well priced. You can find all their products at evetech.co.za.
Okay, this one is quite eye-catching. As you can see, super big fans here. 20 centimeter fans.
20, hey?
Yeah.
Wow. But those fans are massive. 20 centimeter fans, guys. This is a behemoth.
Yeah, again, go with this remote control. So change the color as you want.
Check that out. Any flavor you want. They got all the flavors. Oh, they got desks, ladies and gents. You know Dave loves a good desk.
Well, just launched our gaming desk.
Yes.
We have this power strip holder and this cable management design.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you got a little storage area in there. So you can put some stuff in there. You got, what is this for the wires? Little cable management driplet over there. You got obviously RGB all over this bad boy as well, which is awesome. You got the full-size waterproof gaming mouse pad as well. That's a beautiful desk. This has to be probably one of my favorite things you guys have. But you have one more thing to show me: your brand new Rgb chairs.
Yes. Not only for our Achilles series, all of them have this RGB light effect. And what's special about our brand is that we are the first one to combine this RGB into gaming chair. So as you can see here, for our Achilles series, most of them have this RGB.
Beautiful. These guys are good to go. They're on the market already. Super reasonably priced. Go check out evetech.co.za. Darcy, thank you so much for making a few minutes for us. Gamdias is one of my favorite brands. I love your new gaming desk. That's probably my favorite. I might have to look into one of those because I'm looking for a gaming desk. Darcy, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the rest of Computex 2019.
Okay, thank you.
Sweet, guys. On to the next booth.